Welcome back to Mayukh and Ditya show. Today I am gonna teach Ditya how to play with clay. Are you ready? Yes. Come on. Which color do you want? Yellow. Okay. Teaching you how to make Ganesha from clay. First we need to make the face. For the trunk, I will be using red color. Ditya, are you excited? We have done the trunk. Now let's do the eyes. For the eyes, we will be using green color. You do the eyes. Yes. Now it's nice. Now for the ear, we will be using blue color. Let's make the Ganesha very colorful. Now the Ganesha's face is ready. Yeah, let's do the crown now. I'm using orange for the crown. This is the crown. Now we need to make the teeth. Which color to make the teeth? Green color. Okay. Take Mayukh. Thank you, Ditya. Ditya, did you make this teeth? Super! Look guys, he made it. Now the Ganesha's face is ready. Now let's make the Ganesha's stomach. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's make the stomach green color. Now the stomach is ready. stomach is ready. Now let's do the hands and legs. Come on. So I made the hands. Legs are here. Our Ganesha is ready. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.